Kada umaga, sabi ko sa mga anak ko ay magamit na lang ng hagdan. Yes, Ahmad. Going for breakfast na. Outfit check. Tingnan niyo si Sia, naka-ready na. Pumunta na ng Disneyland si Sia. Baby. Where are you going, baby? Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Isa na, baby. Bread, cereal, sing, nice, well prepared. Come on, finish your breakfast, guys. Come on.
My feet are cold.
We're done now. Ready to hit the road again.
I'm finished.
So, we're checking out na. Ay, kagulo na yung beddings nila. So, kailan yan. Hotel. Ganyan naman, di ba, sa hotel? This is my outfit. Papuntang Disney. Bye-bye Central Paris. Papunta naman kami ng Disneyland. So, outfit check. Naka-crop top lang ako. Nilagyan ko ito. Medyo malamig today. Mahangin pa. Medyo mahangin. Ayan, ayan. Tada. Nice. I like my outfit. Kaya lang, busog na busog ako. Tingnan. Yung tiyang ko butitog. Masarap ng breakfast dito.
Manila Valley swimming takes 49 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy there. Thank you.
Ate,
Bonjour.
see ya.
Bonjour.
Where are we going?
To Disneyland.
Okay. Excited? Okay, how about you, Ate?
I'm excited too. Look at
Go, go, go. Dalawa, sabi ko, look after each other. Mahangin ngayon, as in. Paso. Paso, bonjour. Bonjour, papa. Bonjour. What you say?
Hi.
What you say? Bonjour. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa shuttle. Grabe maulan. Maulan guys. Ano yung weather, maulan. Tapos kami lang yung sakay ng shuttle. Walang sakay. Yung shuttle ay ano, tatlong butong. Tapos kami lang.
Yeah.
We're staying to the Grand Magic Hotel.
Because it's magic. Wow.
It's a new build and it's nice. Nice interior. Ayan. So yung Disneyland dito sa Paris ay ano, parang nasa countryside kaya puro ganyan ang makikita mo. Very green, parang sa ano, countryside ng England. Ayan. Da. You can see there. Are you guys gonna dress up like you know, Moana or princess dress? No. Ayaw na nila. Ah.
Mixed.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Like that's fun.
Ayun guys, ang laki. We're gonna get lost in this castle. nice entrance. Wait. This one. Yeah, go. Yeah, it's so cool. Very nice. Yay! Go on, baby, go on. Daddy, we have to check in.
Shop over there. Boutique.
Really big, isn't it? Sobrang laki nitong ano, in and out door. See ya.
There's a
What are you
one
waiting
at
for?
the reception
Go
desk.
at
It
the
says
back.
10 buses.
Ate,
Later it is 7. Now going to be 6 or 5 minutes.
tingnan mo kung gaano kalaki yung
You've got a lot of Disney things, sorry. Sure, it says Mickey and you can see the same Mickey.
So that's the hotel. Ay, sobrang laki. Ang lawak ng ano nila, ng harapan. This is called Grand Magic daw.